Mental Math Challenge. Compute 51 squared minus 49 squared. No calculator, just your head. Pause the video, try to figure it out. Here is a hint. The two big squares look hard, but they are close together. There is a faster way that turns this into easy mental math. Let us start with a smaller pair. 5 squared minus 3 squared. 25 minus 9 is 16. Easy. But can we get the answer without computing each square first? That is the real question. Picture it as a quilt. A 5x5 quilt has 25 patches. Now subtract a 3x3 corner. That removes 9 patches. The L shape that is left has 16 patches. So the L shape is exactly 5 squared minus 3 squared. Here's the trick. That L shape is the same as an 8x2 rectangle. The long side of the L is 5 plus 3, which is 8. The short side is 5 minus 3, which is 2. 8 times 2 equals 16. Same 16 patches. Two different ways to count. This is the difference of squares trick. For any two squares, a squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. The two big squares always become one multiplication. Now back to the hook. 51 squared minus 49 squared. Use the trick. 51 plus 49 is 100. 51 minus 49 is 2. The answer is 100 times 2. That is 200. Two big squares became one easy multiplication. 200. The difference of squares trick. Two big squares become one multiplication. Hard becomes easy when the two numbers are close together. Try this with friends. Pick two close numbers like 41 and 39, or 102 and 98. Square each, subtract, and watch their faces when you do it in your head. This same trick comes back in every level of the CIMC 2026 quilt series. Border counts, side comparisons, hidden sum and difference clues, even counting how many quilt sizes give the same patch difference. Same idea, new disguises. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.